Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat photos or videos or chats using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile and tap settings. Scroll down and tap my data. Scroll down and these are the things that you can request. And tap submit request. And log into your account and tap continue. This may take time and just wait for your request. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!